Hi guys, I hope you're doing great. Guys, today I'm here to present reliable and unbiased piece of information about famous personality Brian Colfage and the latest news about Brian Colfage scam. So guys, are you ready to enhance your knowledge? If yes, for that you need to stay tuned with me and watch the video till the end and do like and subscribe to our channel. So guys, do you know who is Brian Colfage? Brian Colfage is a man who was there in Iraq war and he lost his one hand and he was there in a wheelchair. But guys, as per the latest reports, the Iraq war veteran Brian Colfage got arrested along with his colleagues, that is Timothy Shai and Andrew Badlato. As per the reports, the man was found to be doing activities that was not at all doing in his favor and getting lot of fame and name because of his working, but what was his doing was a scam. The reason was there, they built and they said that they will going to start an NGO, that is We Built the Wall GoFundMe campaign, which was an NGO type, which as per investigation raised over $25 million, and all the money $25 million was invested by other people. He hasn't invested a single penny from himself as per the reports. So guys, before moving ahead, do like and subscribe to our channel as it will motivate us to do better. Guys, as per the latest news, the US attorney has given their statement against them by stating that hundreds and thousands of capital raiser and donors have given money to Brian because they trust them, because they find that a man is of his words, but it doesn't turn to be. They fund them for the cause, for a great cause, and initially raises millions of dollars for the false intention of construction, and the constructions has not been done yet. The person Brian Colfage, as per reports, spent all his money on his lavish lifestyle, as you can see in his pics. He was spending all the money on his grooming, on his lifestyle, and he's taking all the money from the people in the name of an NGO. As per the news guys, the latest reports says that the inspector in charge of his case, that is Philip R. Ballard, has given statement in press release that he uses $350,000 for his personal uses. He has conspired and committed money laundering and has been arrested for the same. Presently, he is been in the arrested position, and if you wanted to know more about it, check out its reviews on Google. It is there. So guys, yes, if you like the information and found it helpful, do like, share, comment, and for the latest news and updates like this, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day ahead. Be informed and be safe.